Did you? Hi, it's Julie Epplett. I taught the Sunday morning workshop at BTO 2019, 50 Shades of Gray. We focused on anchor technique and a hold step, step or hitch variation. We started off just taking our centers onto a forward foot and onto a back foot with a wide second or fourth position. Then we moved it into the third position for the follower with the right foot in front. And then we added rolling through the feet to get into anchor, and again, making sure that we make that final shift back so that we're extending into extension. From there, once we got our extension, we got the feel of our anchor, we extended that into a syncopation, which I called hold. So we would repeat hold, step, step. For the follower, it would be hold, step, step on a side pass, triple step, triple step. Hold, step, step, triple step, triple step. The idea is on count 2, you're in the same position that you would normally be. So 1, 2, hold, 1, 2. So it's just a delayed double rhythm or hold, step, step, or sometimes called a hitch variation. Leader's the same thing, hold. So I'm going on the right side pass, I'd be going hold, step, step, triple step, triple step. 1 and 2. 2 would be the same. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Towards the end of the class, once we got a little bit comfortable with it, we added some variations. For the leader, I emphasized just a neat pop back on the hold, step, step, without piking and making big, kind of booty out for either leader or follower. Again, just the emphasis is going over that back foot. And then the followers, we added kind of a little, almost like a curtsy or a tiny little bevel on our hold. Hold, step, step, triple step, triple step. We talked about doing kickball change or point and step, same thing. We also added on a tuck variation, a lazy tuck variation, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Again, the follower could just go into a hold, step, step on a right side pass. We talked about the fact that this is a nice way to emphasize a 1 in the music. We're going from, particularly in the tuck and side pass variation, we're going from rotational to linear. Get a nice big juicy 1 in the music there. We emphasize it with a hold or a hitch. Really enjoy being here at BTO. All the best for next year. Thanks so much for having me. Bye-bye.